This is homework 19 for Mr. Reed's Year 10 Maths group. You know, it's a deadline's Friday. And remember, as usual, come and see me if you are stuck with any of the questions. If we move on to question 1 then. Now, all of these questions that we're going to be working on this week are a repeat of the topics that we did earlier this year. And it's just a way to just show that you've consolidated those skills and you're still good at these topics even though we've had a holiday. Let's have a look. On this first one we've got upper and lower bounds. See if we can find the upper and lower bounds of each of these numbers, assuming they've been rounded to the accuracy shown in the brackets. There's also, once you've done these 5 simple upper and lower bounds calculations, there is this actual calculation to do here, which is where you've got 2 numbers here that have been rounded to a given accuracy, and you've got to work out the maximum that you get when you add them together. So I think about that one. On to question 2. Similar shapes. I've written here that it's important that they're similar. If that word was missing from this question, you can't work it out. So it is crucial that you understand the fact they're similar means there's some sort of relationship between these pair of matching sides here. Once you know that, you can work out this missing length. Same is true here. There's some sort of relationship between these matching sides. Question C is all about when shapes are not similar. So in this case here, you might think to yourself, oh, they're similar, look, there's some sort of connection here. And it's your job to actually have a look and see if that's also true there. And you have to explain why there's something wrong with these shapes and they're not similar. On to question 3. Question 3, name a 4-sided shape with 4 equal length sides that's not a square. And question 4 is about a misconception to do with enlargements. When we worked in class, some of you thought that an enlargement scale factor -2 would make a shape half the size, and it in fact doesn't, and it's your job in this question to explain what that actually does. If you'd like to draw a diagram to support that, that would be good. On to question 5, describing transformations, just like we did on the homework on the run up to the test actually. How do you get from this shape to this shape? Write down in words how to get from this shape to this shape. And again, this one's, be careful, how to get from the big shape to the little one, and how to get from this one across to that one. So there's 4 transformations to describe. Question 6, let's move on. A couple of angle proof questions here. These shapes here are on a straight line, so there's some connection between these two. This angle here and that angle there. You can use that to solve that problem, calculate x. These on part B, we've got 2 little lines here and here. They tell you something important about this triangle. That fact can be used to calculate y. And you'll notice sort of putting this cloud here, you must give a reason that you've used to answer your question. So as well as some algebra and a solution, I want to know why, how you've done it. Question 7. LAV, length, area and volume scale factor. Again, this word's similar. If that wasn't in the question, you can't answer it, so do look out for that in the exam. Given that they are similar, you've got a connection between these 2 sides here. That's your length scale factor, so if you look at that, and that then tells you, hopefully enough, to unlock this part of the problem, to understand the connection between the volumes. And I will say, the most common wrong answer to this question is 80. People think that, well, this is half the size of this, so the volume must be half the size of this big one, and it isn't, so please don't write an answer of 80. So that's it for that homework. As I said earlier, please come and ask me before the Friday deadline if you are stuck with any of this, and remember to show your full working out. That's it.